Are you on the hunt for a healthy and delicious breakfast or snack option? Welcome to a step-by-step guide on how to create a wholesome bowl of oatmeal topped with your favorite fruits. In this age of fast food and instant meals, it's crucial that we don't overlook the importance of a nutritious start to the day or a healthy pick-me-up in between. So get ready to explore the world of oats and fruits, a delightful combination that's not just good for you, but also tastes divine. Stay tuned to learn how to whip up this nutritious and flavorful treat in your own kitchen. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's familiarize ourselves with the ingredients. First off, we have half a cup of whole oats. A powerhouse of nutrition. Oats are packed with fiber and protein that keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Next up, 1 cup each of milk and water. This combination ensures a creamy consistency for our oatmeal. A pinch of salt is added to enhance the flavor profile. If you like a hint of warmth in your oatmeal, half a teaspoon of cinnamon does the trick. Then we have your choice of fruits. Strawberries, apples, bananas, berries, or any other fruit you love. Fruits not only add a sweet, tangy punch to our oatmeal, but also bring in a plethora of vitamins and antioxidants. Lastly, a drizzle of honey or syrup can be used to sweeten the dish, but it's totally optional. Now that we know what goes into our dish, it's time to get cooking. Now, gather your ingredients and follow along as we make this healthy and delicious oatmeal with fruits. First things first, let's bring the water and milk to a boil over medium heat. If you're using cow's milk, great, but don't worry if you're not. Any type of milk, even plant-based, will work perfectly fine in this recipe. While we're waiting for our liquid to heat up, let's add a pinch of salt. This will bring out the flavors in our oatmeal. Once our milk-water mixture starts bubbling, it's time to add our oats. Make sure to give it a good stir. We want every grain to be lovingly coated and warmed up, ready to transform into a creamy bowl of goodness. Now, let's turn down the heat to medium-low. We're going to let our oats simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Be patient and keep stirring. We don't want any of our precious grains sticking to the bottom of the pot. If you're a fan of cinnamon, now's the time to sprinkle in half a teaspoon. The warm, spicy aroma will make your kitchen smell like a cozy bakery. Keep stirring the oatmeal until it becomes tender and has absorbed most of the liquid. Once we're happy with the consistency of our oatmeal, it's time to transfer it to a serving bowl. Give it a few minutes to cool down. We don't want our fruits to wilt in the heat. Now for the fun part. Add your favorite fruits on top of the oatmeal. You could go with classics like strawberries, apples, bananas, or berries, or mix it up with whatever fruit you fancy. If you have a sweet tooth, a drizzle of honey or syrup might be a nice touch. And voila, you have a bowl of hearty oatmeal with fruits ready to be enjoyed. This is more than just a breakfast dish or a light snack. It's a bowl full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs to start the day right. Happy cooking. Let's not forget, this recipe is completely customizable according to your personal preferences. You're the artist in your kitchen, and your bowl of oatmeal is your canvas. You can add your favorite nuts like almonds or walnuts for a delightful crunch and an extra dose of healthy fats. Or how about a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla to enhance the flavor even more? The possibilities are endless. Now, if you find yourself out of fresh fruits, don't fret. Frozen fruits are a great substitute. They're equally nutritious and often more affordable. And let's not forget about the milk. Cow's milk, almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, the choice is yours. Each type of milk brings a unique flavor profile to your oatmeal, so feel free to experiment and find your perfect combination. Remember, the key is to use ripe, fresh fruits to ensure a great taste and high nutritional value. And if you have a sweet tooth, a drizzle of honey or syrup can make it even more delightful. To sum up, oatmeal with fruits is a filling and nutritious meal that provides the fiber, vitamins, and minerals your body needs. Not only is it a healthy option, but it's also incredibly delicious. So give it a try and start your day off right.